I think everyone would be making a mistake if they didn't bet on India over the next 10 years.
The world's fifth largest economy is expected to soon climb over Japan and Germany to the number 3 spot. India is in a prime position to pull away business from Asia's powerhouse.
America is in a state of panic right now as it relates to how they can outside of China or conduct what they call China +1. So India is not just getting a second look. In many cases, they're getting the first look.
China accounted for nearly a third of global growth in 2023, while India drove 17.5%. But if India keeps growing while China keeps slowing, they see that balance shift in 2028. Samir Kapadia is founder and CEO of India Index. In your experience, what have you seen as far as interest in the Indian market?
And it's mainly predicated on the notion that American companies can't afford to work with China anymore.